Hello guys, today we will talk about how to create ChatGPT account step by step using your phone. This is your host Ikra. Hope you're doing well. Before start this video, welcome your own channel Lifestyle Kuwait. For more information video, don't forget like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start what we have today. Actually, we will working on ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT. Here, firstly, we can get through app, through Survivor, using camera, photos, files, create images, thinking. You can write prompt here, content writing, and know to how to weather in your current city. Lots of option we have. How to introduce myself. If you have any idea how to create a template, how to create library apps, lots of option we have. You can see in your screen. I will show you. I make this video only use my own phone. Okay, you can add here files as well as then library apps, creativity content. Here I write description for my channel. We can create a thumbnail, template, content, files. Here we can get update ChatGPT account because its limit is little bit. Then we create pictures. Here we can according to our vision create a pictures here, add pictures from our gallery, then make a sense change. We can access and give access to camera, we can access give to a microphone. Let's start. Firstly, I came here on my app store, write on search bar ChatGPT, then wait until it's complete downloading. Then it's finally complete downloading. Then I told you how we will use step by step. Just wait a little bit for download done complete. In this scenario, lots of option we have in ChatGPT account. That's it, it's complete. Now we will work on ChatGPT. ChatGPT do very helping for us. We can write here, we can create using email, Gmail, iPhone. Then I create a ChatGPT account through my Google app. Then choose one Gmail which I want to create a ChatGPT account. After creating, you can see on your screen ChatGPT allow me, and ChatGPT need lots of option. Have you can save through passkey, you can save your passwords, you can save through face ID, whatever you want, totally up to you. Now we will right here create images, write edit, look something. Lots of option we have. If we have any types of story, we not want to need more explore about this story, we write prompt here, we write content here, we write description here. Lots of option we have. It's too much easiest way. If we get what vision in your mind, you just write and ChatGPT will help according to their sense. You can see I just said him I need thumbnail. He created thumbnail for me. Then I write here I need pictures. ChatGPT create pictures for me. I just all this right here I did a story for my channel. I'm just doing a lots of things just for your people because of just make a sense, make your vision, your question will be clear. That's why I'm just doing this for your helping information purpose. You can see, you can image, write edit. Now I told him tell me about the weather of Kuwait today, just for explaining purpose for you guys. Then ChatGPT definitely helped me. He told me about the temperature, about the sunny day, lots of things. You can see in your picture. You can see what temperature we have. Then we can create ChatGPT through website. I write here Google account, write here ChatGPT using my Google ID. Firstly, I create through my apps. Now I will create through website direct from Google. I'm just giving login. Firstly sign up, then login. Then I put my email. After email, he want to know about my age. Choose school, work, personal work, fun, entertainment, other. Need personal uses. ChatGPT said you are all set today. What in your mind today? He will help me. Now I will just explain for information purpose. I told him to ChatGPT write the name of the novel. You can see on your screen. I told him ChatGPT write the name of novel Humsafar. Then he think and definitely helping me. He want to know more. If you want to know, write a specific title name. So I don't add title name. He asked me enter title name. This is all for today. We will meet next informative video. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Signing off.